Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LendingClub app for credit account tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the LendingClub app for credit account tracking, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the app store specific to your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android devices, locate and tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type LendingClub and press search. Look for the official LendingClub app in the search results. Ensure the app is developed by LendingClub Corporation for authenticity. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to view more details. Check the app's rating and read through a few reviews if necessary. When you're ready, look for the download or install button and tap on it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the LendingClub app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. You may be prompted to allow certain permissions, like access to notifications. Carefully read through the prompts and grant necessary permissions. Now, you can sign in or create a new account to start tracking your credit. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. Once logged in, explore the features available for credit account tracking. You are now ready to use the LendingClub app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.